Life can sometimes get overwhelming with the rush of work, daily routines, and endless responsibilities. So we decided to take a break, step away from the noise, and immerse ourselves in nature. What began as a simple getaway turned into one of the most refreshing and soul recharging experiences we've ever had. Our vacation had three perfect chapters: the beach, the mountains, and the campfire. The moment we arrived at the beach, we felt an instant sense of calm. The salty air, the sound of waves crashing gently on the shore, and the wide horizon where the sky kissed the sea. It was everything we needed. We took off our shoes, let our feet sink into the warm sand, and just stood there for a moment, breathing deeply. Mornings were spent walking along the coastline, collecting small shells and letting the water lap at our ankles. Afternoons were for lying under the sun, reading a book, or simply dozing off to the rhythm of the waves. We swam in the clear waters, laughed with locals, and watched the sun melt into the ocean each evening, painting the sky in hues of orange, purple, and gold. It was pure peace. After the beach, we journeyed upward to a serene mountain resort nestled in the highlands. The air grew cooler, the trees taller, and the silence more profound. The resort sat above the clouds, offering a breathtaking view of rolling hills, distant valleys, and endless skies. Each morning, we woke up to the sound of birds and the scent of pine. We sipped hot coffee on a wooden balcony wrapped in a blanket, watching the mist rise from the trees below. During the day, we explored mountain trails, passed by waterfalls, and felt the earth beneath our feet in a way that grounded us. Nights were calm, and the sky above was scattered with stars we haven't seen in years. The mountain gave us clarity, a reminder that sometimes the higher you go, the more you can see. The final leg of our vacation was a true adventure, camping under the stars. We set up our tent surrounded by trees. There was no Wi-Fi, no electricity, just us, nature, and the crackle of the campfire. We cooked simple meals, listened to the sound of crickets and rustling leaves, and told stories while staring at the flames. At night, we lay in our tent, listening to the wind move through the trees and watching the stars through the mesh above us. There's something humbling about sleeping in nature. Vulnerable but connected, simple but powerful. One night I woke up early and stepped out of our tent. The sky was crystal clear and a full moon lit up the whole campsite. In that moment, I felt small but at peace.
This is our home sweet home, guys. Peace out.
When we returned home, we brought with us more than souvenirs or photos. We carried back stillness from the beach, clarity from the mountains, and resilience from the forest. This vacation reminded us that sometimes the best way to find yourself is to step away for a while, to go where the sea sings, the mountains breathe, and the fire still speaks. We'll hold on to that feeling for as long as we can.